Tell me a little bit about how MAXEX is actually using AI with
Sure.
Camunda specifically, tactically.
Sure. So we've got a couple plans in place that we want to start working through. So um, we talked about the build process, the implementation process, extracting the natural language query. We aren't going to have an AI tool generate pricing. We're not going to have an AI generate a guideline review and sign off. We're looking for ways that a human can be in the loop. Any of these auditable,
Yeah.
these compliance-driven decisions, we will not release to AI, but we will let AI kind of prepare a decision, look at the report and the evidence, and then review that to see if it was or was not. And if it was not, to give feedback to the engine or the tool or the workflow that says this is the reason why it didn't work, so that we can constantly make better and better solutions. I don't expect it to be 100% anytime in the next several years,
Sure.
but we have found that just AI usage with some instruction and deterministic rules can be a force multiplier for our organization. So I think Camunda is helping us see that, and with its use of agentic AI, gives us the flexibility inside Camunda to build these workflows, to put a human in the loop without building any standalone or third-party systems.
The way that we look at that as a whole, honestly, is that AI assists, and it's an amazing assist. But you need to have a human
Yes.
accountable for something. So I think that, Camunda is going to allow us to do that, to offload to an AI agent when it's appropriate, right?
Right.
But not as a final decision, to be able to have learning loops within that. So that's really how we plan to use it. There's also what we're using, I would say, as it relates to Camunda. The actual processes that we're rewriting today, we're getting an assist from AI. We're actually feeding in code and feeding in processes to be able to decompose things and reimagine them through, workflow orchestration.